Okay, I'm Kirby Daniel. This is the mob challenge. I'm gonna do the mob like in Step Up Revolution. Okay, I'm gonna start. Okay, we're searching. We're searching for victim for my mob. Oh, there's a call in other cell phone.
Ay, collection set. Gusto na yung mga jacket.
Okay, I'm searching for a victim, but there's no victim yet. I'm gonna search. Okay, no victim. Oh, there's no victim yet. I'm searching for victims, and this is my cousin. We're from Philippines, so that we speak our own language. But me, I know how to speak English, so I speak this because this is as YouTube. No victims. Oh gosh. Oh, the first victim. We'll see that. Zoom in. Oh, he disappear. Hey, where's the first victim? You see that? Oh, he walk away. Maybe he knows that I'm gonna mob. No, no victim. No victim. No victim yet. But I don't have any music. What will I do? No victim. Oh, I'm gonna search for victims. Zoom in. Still don't. Oh, there's the first victim. He's walking. He's walking. He's walking. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I don't know where he will go. Oh, but this is failed. This is failed. Okay, I'm just gonna sing the gentleman song. Oh, there are two victims. There are two victims. Okay, there are two victims. Two victims. You see me? I'm gonna dance. Hey, hello. There are two victims. I'm gonna start you. I'm gonna start. Okay, I'm ready. Mother, father, gentleman. Okay, it's failed because I don't have music. We'll search for more victims. Okay, that's all for the mob challenge.